Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala ukondot ke sangma menta kasi kakat khandai trik ujemang arajar arpulai habakren bekilat pathai khubor loong baha kajingya lang ladep bania kren halor ke roster system bat kumno katrekam Menteri Rangba loong baladep an batai ya kamat roster system shabaro kinomi khamat bat kinong kit kam kiseng san hima sima baper bat na kanyang kini kisengru kila sam jingmut lang shau kumno bania penbet na kanyang Menteri Rangba ula pentip ru ba an Thaw ke Sorkar ke Kynhun Halor ke roster system ban Lamkhmat ke Menteri ke Sorkar Jilla ke Dr. Ampareen dingdo. Sho Menteri Rangba ula thuru ba an pansange shwa shipori ke jingthung kam tat hadu dalarai da ke Kynhun.
I had an all-party meeting today where we have shared and discussed concerns about the roster system, and a lot of inputs have come in, and a detailed presentation on what is a roster and how the roster works, and all the details and nitty-gritties of the system have been explained to the different leaders of different political parties. Most of the political parties who are present here right now on the dais with me have seen the presentation and are satisfied seeing what the details are, and concerns have been raised and some clarifications have been sought, and hence we have decided that in order to ensure that all the different concerns that are there are clarified, and hence a committee is proposed to be set up, which will be chaired by our Honorable Health Minister from Ampareen, and different members from different political parties will be in it, so that we can allow them to seek clarification and give further suggestions on how they propose that or they suggest that we should move forward. Apart from that, certain clarifications have been sought. We have clarified most of the points. Certain clarifications, like whether in the education sector this particular system will apply or not. So we have clarified that the roster is meant for direct recruitment only, and hence it is not meant to be implemented for education purpose, in the sense for the different seats that are there in different education institutions across the country. So on and so forth. There were many other points that were raised, and we have given a complete clarification on that. We have also in the presentation explained to the different political parties that the appointments that have been made from the past, those appointments from 1972 onwards have been done, and we will put them as far as possible from different inputs that we received. We have put them and plotted them. And this data has now allowed us to understand the sequence in which we are now today to continue with the roster. I would like to clarify here today also that all the appointments that were made in the past, in all the decisions that were taken as per the reservation policy, and hence they are completely legally binding on the government.